everyone, this is Konkona and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my video for the first time, just let me quickly let you know that I'm the creator of styletravelandmode.com, which is my website, and you are watching me in my YouTube channel Style Travel and Mode. So you might have guessed by this time seeing my face that I am in absolute love with makeup. So I keep buying stuff, and this is my one of the recent purchase, and this is Color Bar All-Rounder Pencil. I have used it for a couple of times now, and so today I wanted to do a quick review about this product. So these are the two shades which I have bought, and as per the brand, this is all-in-one pencil and can be used as kajal, lip liner, eyeliner and eyeshadow. So let me show you the product. So this one is Squeezy Lime number 008, and let me show you the pigment. This is how the pencil looks, and it is the twist up one. So this is how it looks. Let me open the next one. This is Sexy Silhouette number 009. So this is how it looks, and after application I need to give it some time to settle. According to this, almost 40 seconds. So yes, I'll see you after that. So now I think it has settled, and let me show you that this is smudge proof, and also of course you can understand by the texture of this product that it is waterproof as well. Before I give you my insight about this product, I just wanted to show you a few looks which I have created using this product, which are coming up next. So now it's time for some quick insight. As you have seen earlier, this product has creamy texture. Of course not super creamy because it's a pencil type of product, but creamy enough of its kind. However, I feel the pigment varies according to the shade. For example, this shade Sexy Silhouette has medium pigment, and it requires approximately 3 swipes to achieve the final look. However, this shade Squeezy Lime has low pigment, and it requires almost 5 to 6 swipes to achieve the finished look. As you have seen earlier, this product is waterproof and doesn't smudge. Also, it doesn't irritate my eyes even when I use it on the waterline. I can create a vibrant look easily with this product, and it doesn't even look patchy. Also, as this product is twist up or roll up type of pencil, there is no product wastage due to sharpening. Now, as I have shown you earlier, the usage mentioned on the pack also includes and says that this product can be used as eyeshadow as well. However, according to my testing, it is very difficult to use this product as eyeshadow because of its less blendability. If I use it as a thick eyeliner, it gives a look closer to eyeshadow, however not similar to it. To sum up, I feel this product is a decent choice for people like me who want to create a vibrant look with funky and pop colors. So yes, that was a quick review about this Color Bar All-Rounder Pencil. I hope you liked this video. If you want to read about this product, you can go to my website styletravelandmode.com. I have mentioned the website link in the description section. And if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.